Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn about prefix and suffix. Prefix is a group of letters that are used in the beginning of the word. Suffix is a group of letters that are used at the end of the word. Good day, children. Welcome back to online class. Are you happy today? Okay, now let's play a game, word building. Now, I'm going to say a word, adventure. Do you know how to play word building? When I say a word, you have to take the last letter of the word and you have to give me a new word. Okay, now my first word is adventure. What is the last letter here? E. Can someone tell me the word which starts with E? We have so many letters. Engine, elephant, electrical. So, I have a word, earthquake. O. Again, earthquake also ends with the letter E. Again, I have to find a word that starts with letter E. Okay, elephant. Yes. So, this is a word building. Okay, now you can play this game with your siblings or with your parents also. Yes? Okay. Now, tell me a word that starts with letter T. Someone? Yes, tiger. So the game goes on. Okay. Yes, you can play with this game with your siblings or with your parents. Yes. Let's recap what we learned in the previous class. Do you remember? We learned homophones and homonyms. We just recap what we learnt in the previous class. Okay, homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same but spelled differently. The meaning also differ. Okay, can you see the examples? See, meet, hear, die. So all these words are sound same but different spelling, different meaning. Okay, next we see homonyms. What are homonyms? Homonyms are the words that pronounced same. It sounds same but different meaning. It also has the same spelling. Okay, can you see the examples given there? Watch, bark, fly. Okay, so this is homophones and homonyms. Okay, now today we are going to learn an interesting topic. I think this one is very easy for you to understand. Okay, today we are going to learn about prefix and suffix. What are prefix and what are suffix? First we see what are prefix. Prefix are a group of letters that are added to the beginning of the word. If I give you a word, a few letters will be added in the beginning of that word. So that is called prefix. Prefix modify the meaning of the words and it also make the word negative or it shows repetition. So here a list of prefix. Can you see on the screen? Dis, an, il, ir, im, re, pre, pro, ultra, semi, non, ex, super, miss, fo, sub, multi. So these are some prefix. Okay, you have so many prefixes. So these are the letters which used before a word. So they are called prefix. Again I repeat, prefix is a group of letters that are added at the beginning of a word. Shall we see an example? Can you see the smiley face there? The first part is happy, the next one looks sad. So what is the word? Happy. Happy is the root word. When we add prefix un with the word happy, it makes unhappy. So can you see the happy and unhappy? So the first part is the positive and the second one is the negative. I told you already, it can make the word negative. Can you see here? Happy, unhappy. Happy is a positive word, unhappy is a negative word. Okay, so here un is the prefix. Let us see one more example. Fix, prefix. Okay, fix is a root word, prefix is a prefix. Okay, am I confusing you? Okay, I'll repeat again. Prefix is a group of letters that are added to the beginning of a word. Okay, let's see some example words. Okay, so here when we take these prefixes also have meanings. Okay, for example, if I show you pre, what is mean by pre? Pre means before. Re means again. Un is an against or not. We use un for a negative word. Pro is a forward. Im is again a negative word. Miss is a wrong. Dis is an opposite word. Non again, its meaning is not, negative word. Okay. I have also given you an example for these words. Okay, can you see pre? What is the example for pre? Prehistory. History is the root word. I have added the prefix pre here, so it makes prehistory. Again the second one, act is a root word. I have added prefix re, so it makes react. Next one is unequal. Again un is the prefix. Proactive. Pro is a prefix. Improper. Im is a prefix. Misplace. Mis is a prefix. Disagree. Dis is a prefix. Non-fiction. Non is a prefix. So again I repeat the meanings. Pre means before. Re again. Un against. Pro forward. Im not. Miss wrong. Dis opposite. Non means not. Yes. Okay, now I have picked some words which starts with the prefix dis. Can you see here? Dis. So the words which starts with the prefix dis. Dishonest, disobedient, dishonor, dislike. Same way I have picked a few words that starts with prefix un. Unable, unemployed, unequal, unhappy. Okay, yes. Next, now here we are going to underline the prefix. Can you see the first word? Impossible. Now tell me which is the root word here? The root word is the possible. Possible is the root word. Here I have added the prefix im, so it forms impossible. The next word is misunderstand. Now find out the root word here. Yes, understand is the root word. So I have added a prefix mis. So it forms misunderstand. Next one is invisible. Visible is the root word. In is the prefix. So it forms invisible. The next one is illegal. Again, legal is the root word. Ill is the prefix. The next one is irrelevant. Relevant is the root word. Ir is the prefix. The next, again the same prefix I have used here. Regular is the root word. Ir is the prefix. The last word is inadequate. Adequate is the root word. In is the prefix. Okay, children, now I just tell you what is meant by prefix. Prefix is a group of letters that comes in the beginning of the word. Okay, let's move on to suffix. What is meant by suffix? Suffix is also a group of letters, but it is added at the end of a word. Okay, suffix is a group of letters added at the end of a word. Let's see an example word here. Flavor. Flavor, flavorless. Okay, so here tell me which is the suffix here? Less. Yes, good children. Flavorless. Here less is the suffix. I have list some suffixes here. Can you see the screen? Yes. Al, able, ly, est, ful, illy, ing, less, ness, ship, wise, word. So here these are the suffixes. Okay. Yes. Let's see the meanings. How we saw the meanings of prefix. Now we also have the meanings for suffix also. Okay. So here the ANC. Can you see ANC? ANC, able. Able is mean by capable. DON is a quality. IST is the person whom we are talking about. ITY is the quality. MENT is the condition. NESS is a state of being, and SHIP is a position. Okay, I have also given you some example words for all these suffix. The first one, performance. Can you see this performance ends with the suffix ANCE. Again, comfortable. Comfortable also ends with a suffix ABLE. Kingdom. Again, kingdom ends with a suffix DOM. Chemist. IST. Activity. ITY is a suffix. Argument. MENT is a suffix. Happiness. NESS is a suffix. Friendship. Ship is again a suffix. Okay, can you see I have underlined the suffix here? Okay, yes. Let's see. We underline the suffix here. Okay, the first one, sadness. Now tell me, can you see the suffixes are circled here? Sad. Here, sad is the root word. NESS is the suffix. Happiness, again, happy is the root word. NESS is the suffix. Musical. Music is the root word. AL is the suffix. Agreement. Agree is the root word. MENT is the suffix. Careful. FUL is the suffix. Tiredness. Lovely. LY is the suffix. Next one, friendship. Comfortable. Can you identify the suffix here? Yes. Ship is a suffix and able is also a suffix. Okay. So suffix is a group of letters that used at the end of the word. Okay. So prefix is the group of letters that comes in the beginning of the word. Suffix comes at the end of the word. Okay, children, do you understand what are prefixes and suffixes? Okay, now here is an exercise. Now we are going to underline the prefixes and suffixes in the given words. Okay, are you ready, children? Yes, come on. We will identify the prefix and suffix here. Yes, the first word, goodwill. Can someone tell me which is will is the prefix or suffix? It's a suffix. Yes, very good, because will is a group of letters that comes at the end of the word. Okay, so it is called suffix. The next one is musician. Again, IAN comes at the end of the word, so it's a suffix. The next one is reward. Can you see RE comes at the beginning of the word? So it is prefix. The next word is ultrasound. Ultra is a prefix. The next one is humanity. Again, ITY comes at the end, so it is a suffix. Careless, less is a suffix. Irrational, subordinate. Again, sub is the prefix. The next one is irrational. IR is the prefix. Very good, children. Okay, here is an assignment. So refer page 7 from the English reader and write the answers in your English classwork. Can you see the questions given? I have taken a screenshot. So can you see on the slide? Okay, so you have to identify the prefix and suffix for the words for the given prefix and suffix. Okay, so find out the words which starts with these prefix and suffix, and then you have to frame sentences. So write your assignment in your English classwork, children. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.